These days, AI is pretty much part of the daily routine for a lot of us, right? Whether you're writing a blog, making an image, or creating a video, generative AI tools seem essential. But here's the catch. Getting good results usually means you need really good prompts. What if I told you there's a free online tool that basically acts like your own prompt engineer, writing those prompts for you? It's called Fido. Fido's AI prompt generator is built to help you craft effective prompts. Using it is straightforward. First, head over to the Fido website using your web browser. The link is in the description below. Look for their AI prompt generator tool listed under their AI tools section. Once you're on the tools page, you'll see a text box starting with something like, "I want a prompt that will." That's where you type in what you need help with. For instance, you could type, "Give me an AI prompt to write a blog post explaining compound interest to beginners in a friendly way." The more details you give, like the topic, who it's for, the tone, or how long it should be, the better the result you'll get. Below that text box, there's a drop-down menu. This lets you pick the kind of prompt framework you want. Standard is good for general stuff, while reasoning helps with trickier problems. They also have specific frameworks like RACE for responses where you define a role, or TAG for step-by-step tasks. If those names sound confusing, just stick with standard. Once you've entered your request, hit the Generate button. The tool will take what you wrote and use its smarts to build a detailed, structured prompt for you. If it looks right, copy it and pop it into whatever AI tool you're using. If it needs tweaking, just go back, add more details, or change your request a bit and generate a new one. If you scroll down a little, there's another menu on the left side. You'll see Fido also has specialized prompt generators for different tasks and specific AI platforms. So they have tools for ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Gemini, Veo, and others. You don't need any special skills or experience with prompt engineering to use it. The whole thing is designed to be simple and walks you through step by step, so anyone can use it easily. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, I'd really appreciate a like, and if you subscribe to the channel, drop a like in the comments too so I can personally say thanks. Take care, everyone.